My boyfriend took me to the Chicago Pop Mart and he gave me a $150 budget, so let's see what I can get. Let's go. They have the new figures. I haven't seen these in person. Look, Jasmine liked these. So they're chests and they open up.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool. You should get one.
I should.
Yeah, you should.
I want that. Can you get me that?
I'm surprised you don't want something like that.
Well, that doesn't fit my phone. You can get me a sign? You don't know.
$70. Does it light up?
Yes, it lights up.
That's kind of cool.
Look at their little display. It's so cute.
Let me see it then.
Oh my god.
I don't know what that one is, but that one's kind of cool.
That's the Stranger Things one.
Oh, that's cool.
I want him. And then there's Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is not as expensive.
What?
Don't touch it. I know they click. They go click, click, click.
That is actually cool.
You like the Hello Kitty
I
one?
like that one. Why is that the cheapest one? You would think.
This is the cheapest one.
No, actually, it's that one.
Oh, the Rick and Morty.
You know how the song goes?
I know. You got it.
So I'm not biggest fan, but I would go crazy for it.
I love that.
They used to have a game on PS2 where you would race in the hamburger mobile.
I want the one up there.
The ice cream one?
Goofy Goober.
I guess that would be fun.
Here, can you hold it?
Those two would be the coolest.
I've never seen this before. Okay, over his armor.
None of these I like.
Oh my god. I've never seen these before. I've never seen these.
Remember these?
Yeah.
They were like,
Yeah.
get Labubu's. We'd stay up all night trying to get a Labubu. I was like, you don't want one?
No, I don't want one. I'm sorry.
Well, they fell off.
Grab a bag. It's huge. First is this Kubo. Oh, they're only 18. I'm gonna get two.
No, let me put this.
Well, I already did it.
Blood's on your hands. You get bad ones.
I wish they had this Kubo. I love that Kubo. Get one of these Dimas because I've never seen these before.
That would be sick.
That
That one or the panda.
Oh, the panda. I really like that one too.
Even the fox.
Yeah. Overall, really cool series. I'm gonna get
They're all
two.
pretty cool. The only ones that aren't really that cool are those two up there.
Yeah, hopefully I don't get those. I feel like these would be heavy, right?
Let me see.
I like this one a lot.
I think these are the three that you should pick from.
Okay. I like this one a lot.
Yeah?
I like this too.
Oh.
They do have this, but I'm still searching for him and him. So those have to be like light. But I just don't want him again. I got him twice and I hate him. Guys, you guys said that I can look through this hole. I can't see anything. Let's get these Hutchipoo-Poos. Oh my god, this one is so heavy. Wait, these two. Here. I'm just gonna get this one and hope for the best. Let's get this one. Let's open some blind boxes. I'm super excited. I've tried to find things that I don't usually get at my normal Pop Mart, but they had most of the things that are at my normal Pop Mart. And besides these Hironos, I just really wanted these. So let's see. First, let's do these two Demus. I've never seen these Demus out in the wild. I think they're so stinking cute. I love warm polar bear. If I could pet a polar bear, I absolutely would. Elephant and sleeping bunny. That one's so cute. I think the one that Cam really wanted was the crocodile cleaner. So let's see if I get that one. Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. Honestly, guys, Chicago was awesome. I miss Chicago so much. It is my hometown. I love it so much. I don't care what I have to do. I want to get like an apartment there, if not a penthouse. That's the dream, but I never know. You know, dreams, they're hard, but maybe I will one day. But let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, who is it? Oh, it's the koala. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. And he comes with him. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. These are like few Demu ones that have come with like little fan, and look, he goes like on top of him. That's so adorable. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, one we're gonna do is next. So let's see. I kind of want to get that crocodile one because I kind of convinced Cam to get into Pop Mart with me, and hopefully he starts collecting with me too. So let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Also, guys, my necklace broke and I'm so sad. It used to be right here. Cam gave that to me when he asked me to be his girlfriend, and I broke. Yeah, we're gonna get it fixed. So let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh, it's the red panda. Oh my goodness, this is red panda with apple. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. but oh my gosh, he's so cute. Okay, adorable. He's kind of scary looking, I'm not gonna lie. He looks angry. Like a red panda is known for being angry. I don't really know much about red pandas, but they're so cute. And of course, he has his little red panda friend. Oh my gosh, and this one comes with a stand. But oh my gosh, look at them. They're both grabbing them. That's so cute. Okay, that's adorable, and I love that. And these are their cards. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Okay, we're gonna do these Hironos. I already have some of them, and I feel like I'm gonna get disappointed. I really hope this one's fading. Please let it be fading. Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, for this one, I have quite a few. I already have the Ghost, Nowhere Safe, Raving, Staring, Crow, Cuckoo, the Monster, and the Marionette. And I freaking hate the Marionette. I hate him so much. Just hold him. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? I should have thrown this. Chicago River. Oh my gosh, no, I don't condone littering. But oh my goodness, and they're on the way to cleaning it finally, since like where it's able to be swimmable. But this one will be on my Depop. Thank you so much. Okay, this one's not fading. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my gosh. Okay, I already have wood carving, Paradise Lost, costume, Parasite. And that's it from this series. I just want fading. If not fading, just not a dupe, please. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh my gosh, it's Burst! I don't have this one. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh my gosh, and he's like blowing up his body. Interesting, but oh my goodness, yes. Okay, not mad at that. Thank God. Okay, this is his card. Okay. My goodness, for these ones I'm so excited, but let's open these ones because I think I have a few of them. I already have Toot Toot Call and See You, and I think that's it from this collection. I don't have a lot of Hachi Poo-Poos. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm trying to fill up my shelves, but I also have to put up new shelves. My Demu one is definitely getting full, and I need a shelf for my Chaka because right now Chaka and Nyota are sharing a shelf, and they can't do that anymore. So this one's a big boy. See, ready? 3, 2, 1. I feel like I know which one this is. Oh my gosh, I knew it. This one is Big Bear, Little Bear. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I always have so much anxiety going back home too, though, because I don't know. It's just like many memories there, and like Michigan and Chicago are so different from one another. He's so cute in there. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. He's adorable. I love this series. Look at him. See which one this is. Okay. 3, 2, 1. It's definitely not the same one. But... Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh my goodness. This is Whack No More. Do they keep hitting his head? And that's why he's crying? And he's like, I don't know, is this a flan? Looks like flan with like chocolate drip on it, but I'm pretty sure it's not flan. But he's so cute. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Oh my goodness, I love him so much. And this is his card. And let's do these last but not least. I love this Kubo series so much. It's all about love, and I love love. But go tell Cam to propose. To go propose because we've been talking for a while. He says it's coming soon, but I don't know. I don't tell him to give me some signs because I want to be his wife. And he says he got a ring. I don't believe him. I don't believe it until I see it. So everyone in the comments tell him to go propose to me. Thank you. Okay, but already I would love Ashes of a Secret. I would love that one so much. If not that one, I would also love This Blind. Visit with Flowers. The only one I don't really want is Early Summer, I think. I wouldn't be too mad though. Catch the Bloom. I don't know. But I also really love Build Our Home. First Love. That was so cute. Okay, let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Kubo bag. Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh, you're in the thing. Who is it? Oh my gosh. And he comes with like paper. Hold on. This is Butterflies in My Stomach. Oh my god, that's adorable. Oh, I thought this was gonna be paper, but it's not. It's like plastic. Like hard plastic. I feel like every time I film a video, some of my nails are always missing. Oh, Does it like fit in his hands? Ah, oh my gosh, I love him. And his hair is like pastel and has a little butterfly on it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. He's like angry that he has butterflies and he's like, damn it, caught feelings again. Okay, last but certainly not least, please let it be one of the ones I want. 3, 2, 1. See, ready? 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh my god, it's Love is Blind! I love it. I love the show Love is Blind. It's literally the only reality TV show that can kind of, because it is a psychological experiment and I love psychological experiments. I mean, according to my psychology professors, love is not blind. Attraction does play a role in it. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Does he come? He does! He comes with like a little key or like a mirror. I think it's a mirror. I think it's supposed to be a mirror. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. I love him. He's so cute. And his ears are pierced. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. I've never noticed that Kubo's ears were actually pierced. But I love that. And this is his card. I had some great pulls today, and if you would like to see me unbox more, follow my page. And if you're on YouTube, I think you'd really like this video that is getting shown to you right now. Bye, I love you.